Boolean is one of the most frequently used data types in JavaScript. It has only two values, that is true and false. So let's demonstrate it. Var parsed equals true. Okay. Now parsed contains the value of true, and it's case sensitive too. It means that we cannot pass true using a capital T. So if we try that, JavaScript will interpret it as a variable, but it was not declared and would throw an error. Okay, so we cannot use that. And the same thing for false. Here, I can't use that, but I can use false with a lowercase f. Okay, we can use the type of operator to see the type of the string, and it's a boolean. I will clean the console. Okay. To demonstrate better how boolean works, I want to show a JavaScript function called boolean. We will cover more about functions later, but for now, it will help the understanding about boolean in JavaScript. So everything that I pass inside this parenthesis is going to be evaluated by the function. So let's pass, for instance, 0. 0 in JavaScript, when you convert and evaluate as a boolean, it's false. Okay. If I pass 1, it's true. If I pass empty string, it's going to be false. Okay. If I pass a string with one element inside it, for instance A, it's true, or more elements, it's keep being true. Okay. I will demonstrate now. If I pass 0, you may be tempted to think that it's going to evaluate to false, but actually it's true, because in this case 0 is not a number, it's a string. So in strings, if you have one or more elements inside it, it's going to be evaluated to true. Okay. It's important to know that the value of undefined will always be false. The same thing applies for null. Okay, so if I have a variable, for instance, var, let's use tested, and I will not initialize this variable, and we know if we don't initialize a variable, it will contain the value of undefined. Okay, and now I will evaluate here to see the value of this variable here. So it's going to be false.